All right, a quick trick. How to grow your Facebook page from hundreds to thousands to millions of followers within a short period of time. This is a secret that many people will not tell you. This is a trick that no one will tell you, but I'm here to reveal it to you just free of charge. Now, how do you do this? If you make a post and people like the post and react to the post, like this one now, this is a post I made one day ago. Now, you come down here under that post where the Meta lines up the people that reacted to that your post. You can see them here. You click there. When it opens like this, look at up here. Up here, you will see the list again. You click on it. Now, here, if you look here now, you will see people that are following. Among the people that reacted to that post, that liked the post, you will see the people, the ones that are following my page already, and the ones that are not following my page. Now, these ones that are not following my page now, I can simply click invite. Invite. Assuming all of them, none of them is a follower of my page, I can invite all of them. You can see now it has changed to invited. Now, after doing this, assuming you invited like 100 people, before you know it, at least 50 will like your page, especially when you have a good and quality content that you're putting out there. Now, this is a trick that no one will tell you. I'm just revealing it to you secretly. I'm just releasing it to you for free of charge. This is a secret that many people have used to gather all those millions of followers that you see them have, plus the quality content they are putting out there. Please, while you do this, make sure you have a quality and good content that will keep people on your page, not when someone visits and the person will be forced to leave because he doesn't understand what you are doing. Now, after doing this thing can also work when you comment on someone's post. Another person makes a post and you write a comment under that person's post and people react to that, your comment. You can also go there and do the same thing. You can go there and do the same thing, and this will also bring you to here where you will invite them. After inviting them, they will come back to like your page. This is just a secret, and I hope this helps you to grow your Facebook page as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click that subscription button and also turn on your notifications so that once I post a new tutorial, you will be notified. And please don't forget to share this video. Also, don't forget to share this video so that many people, others, will know about this secret. And also, if you have any question or any confusion, you can drop it on the comment section because I will be right there to attend to all your questions. Thank you and see you in our next tutorial.